Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the firewall in Windows 11 step by step. Whether you're troubleshooting a network issue, testing software, or adjusting your security settings, this guide will help you quickly disable the Windows firewall. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows 11 Start button. In the search bar, type Settings. Then, click on Settings from the search results. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left-hand menu and select Network and Internet. Now, scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Near the bottom of the page, you'll see Windows Firewall. Go ahead and click it. This will open the Windows Security Firewall Settings page. Here, you'll see the currently active network profile. For example, mine is set to Public Network. Click on the active network profile. Inside this section, you'll find Microsoft Defender Firewall. If the firewall is currently enabled, the switch will show as On. Click the toggle once to turn it off. Windows may display a security confirmation pop-up asking for permission. Simply click Yes to continue. If you don't see the on-off toggle or the settings appear grayed out, there are usually two common reasons. You may not be signed in with an administrator account, or a third-party antivirus program is managing your firewall settings. For example, if you use antivirus software like Bitdefender or Kaspersky, then the firewall may need to be disabled directly from that antivirus application instead of Windows Security. You can also manage firewall settings separately for different network profiles, including public network, private network, and domain network. Simply open each profile and turn the firewall off if needed. Once disabled, the firewall protection for those network profiles will be turned off. Keep in mind that disabling your firewall can make your computer more vulnerable to security threats, so it's usually best to turn it back on after troubleshooting or testing is complete. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the firewall in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Windows and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.